everybody, welcome back to TAZS's Wig Closet. Today we're going to take a look at some new JEULIA items just in time for Mother's Day gifts and some new hair coming up. This is one of my favorite times of the year to talk to you about JEULIA.com. JEULIA is a small online artisan jewelry group, and they specialize in some smaller batch, very unique and customizable items. You are bound to find something to fit your personality and give just the perfect gift. I'm going to put up a B-roll here because they have curated a large variety of items for their Mother's Day collection. You're definitely going to want to browse those because, again, they're highly customizable. They come in a ton of size options. You've got earrings, necklaces, rings. Their rings are some of my favorites. They do specialize in that 925 sterling silver, so it's a very high grade quality item. And I have been so satisfied with those items over the years. Remember, I am a rep with JEULIA.com, so be sure to use my rep code if you make a purchase, which is TERREAZ15 for 15% off of your order. And they're always running additional specials as well. And be sure to bookmark the site at JEULIA.com because they're constantly coming out with some new and beautiful items. My collection is growing. I find that I wear the JEULIA.com jewelry all the time. So let's talk about real quick the hair that I'm wearing. I know that this is a wig review channel. I do specialize. I'm passionate about my wigs. I believe that we are so blessed to have so many options with wigs today. And I am thrilled to present a new Jasmine Jazz by BELLE TRESS. This one is in honey with chai latte. Jasmine Jazz is kind of a chin length, curly, blunt cut bob. It's just the perfect length. So let's talk about today's feature. I'm going to show you a brand new ring by JEULIA in their curated Mother's Day collection. Would be the perfect gift. And I'm so happy that they sent it to me today for presentation. This is called the JEULIA's Family Tree Customizable Mother's Day Ring. So I love this ring. I was able to pick it out and I added the birthstones of my two children. And I believe you can add up to 6 birthstones to this, this ring. So right here I have my two children. But you could add mom, dad, you could add grandma and grandpa. You could just really load this up. The stones are gorgeous. So I've got one for the October stone and one for January. This is made from the 925 sterling silver by JEULIA. It wears and wears. I can attest to that from the wedding sets that I have from them that have lasted for years now with very little, if any, maintenance. Okay, so let's talk about this because I really love this ring because it has a flat profile. A lot of us are very busy with our hands throughout the day, and we really can't wear something on a regular basis with a really high setting. I know that's true with my soon-to-be daughter-in-law. She is a nurse and she's constantly taking gloves off, putting them on, washing hands and so forth. And she is constantly working with patients and she can't have a really high setting on a ring, fearing that she would lose the stone or perhaps even scratch a patient. That's just one example of why I think a flat profile type ring is beautiful. And I love that it extends the length of my forefinger here. So it's nice and shiny. It's made from a very fine sterling silver material. And you've got the look of that family tree there. So overall, this oval face is about 1 inch in length. So it does cover a little more surface than your traditional rings with a higher setting. Love that. Now, this is from years ago, this necklace here, same thing. So we've got the family tree and I've got my children's birthstones in there. I believe this was from Mother's Day a couple of years back, but it wears beautifully. I enjoy wearing it. Now I have a matching ring. This also, again, is from JEULIA.com. And if you're looking for just the perfect piece, don't forget to check that site. Because when I say there's something for everyone, there's literally something for everyone. Women, men, children, mothers. We'll see you soon.